Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar. Roman letter 1. Rewrite each sentence as in a question, a negative question. Okay, Roman letter 1. You will wear this cap. Will you wear this cap? You will wear this cap. Will you wear this cap? You won't wear this cap. You wear this cap. Second one. We shall get our share. Shall we get our share? We shall not get our share. Shall not or shan't we get our share? Okay. Third one. She will be happy here. Will she be happy here? Negative sentence. She won't be happy here. Negative question. Won't she be happy here? Okay. Fourth one. Tomorrow will be a holiday. Will tomorrow be a holiday? Tomorrow won't be a holiday. Negative sentence. Won't tomorrow be a holiday? Negative question. Fifth one. Raman will eat in the class. Will Raman eat in the class? Negative sentence. Raman won't eat in the class. Won't Raman eat in the class? Negative question. Sixth one. We shall play in the park. Shall we play in the park? Negative sentence. We won't play in the park. Negative question. Won't we play in the park? Seventh one. Birds will sing in the trees. Will birds sing in the trees? Birds won't sing in the trees. Negative sentence. Won't birds sing in the trees? Negative questions. Eighth one. The girls will pluck flowers. Will the girls pluck flowers? Negative sentence. The girls won't pluck flowers. Won't the girls pluck flowers? Negative question. Ninth one. Temple will dance in the hall. Will Temple dance in the hall? Temple won't dance in the hall. Negative sentence. Won't Temple dance in the hall? Okay, see the next page. Okay students, second Roman letter. Complete the second sentence in each pair. First one. It is Monday today. It is Monday today. It will be Tuesday tomorrow. It is Monday today. It will be Tuesday tomorrow. Okay, second one. She is 9 now. Next year she will be 10. Next year she will be 10. Today is the 7th of April. Tomorrow it will be the 8th of April. Okay, fourth one. This month is January. The next month will be February. Okay students, that Roman letter. Read how Shaya prepares tea. Then rewrite each sentence using will plus be1. Okay students, listen carefully. Answer. I read the answer. Shaya will go into the kitchen. She will fill the kettle with water. She will put the kettle on the gas stove. She will turn the gas on. She will strike a match. She will light the gas. The water will begin to. She will put some tea leaves into the kettle. She will add sugar and milk also. Then the tea will be ready. Okay students, thank you.